Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to whiten your teeth. Before I show you how to whiten your teeth, I'm trying to grow my Instagram page. Here's the link to my Instagram. Go over there, follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, we do short videos. We also do pictures, and there's a lot of things going on over there that we don't really do on this platform. So follow my Instagram channel and help me grow my Instagram. Now with that out of the way, guys, today I'm going to show you what I use at home to whiten my teeth. I have very sensitive teeth, and whenever I try to go get my teeth whitened, it always creates a huge problem for me. I just cannot deal with the sensitivity, so I turn to natural remedies, and it has been working tremendously well on my teeth. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you one of my homemade remedies that I use to whiten my teeth, get rid of stain from the teeth. If you're a smoker, if you drink a lot of coffee, if your teeth is looking a little yellow, this is going to help to get the job done. It will also help to get rid of tartar once you use it on a regular over a period of time. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen. Let's whip this up really fast, and I will also show you how to use it on your teeth for best result. Now for this recipe, you're going to need your toothbrush, of course. And our first ingredient is tomato, and tomato will help to clear the teeth of stain. It will also help to get rid of plaque. It will help to whiten the teeth and leaving them pearly white. So what we're going to do, we are going to blend the tomatoes since we're going to be extracting the tomato juice. Now I have a small blender, so I'm going to chop the tomato in small pieces, and then I'm going to blend. So here we have the tomato in the blender, and we're not adding any liquid to this. We're just going to blend this as is. Now after blending, we're just going to pour this out. You can actually store this tomato paste in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. And now let's move on to our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is baking soda, and baking soda has been used for years in toothpaste because it works. It helps to get rid of stain from the teeth. It helps to remove plaque buildup. So we're using 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Pour that in. Next, we're going to reach for some coconut oil, which is a good oil to use for oil pulling, and this will also help to whiten the teeth, polish the teeth. So I'm using about a half of a teaspoon of coconut oil. You really do not need a lot. A little goes a long way. Add this to your baking soda. So in here we have baking soda and coconut oil. So we're just going to blend the two together. We're melting the coconut oil, warming that coconut oil. Now once this is done, we're going to reach for our tomato puree, and we're only going to use a teaspoon of the tomato puree. 1 teaspoon of tomato puree, and we're mixing this in with the baking soda and the coconut oil, blending well. So completely mix your tomato, baking soda and coconut oil together. And now we have one final ingredient. Now if you want to make more of this, you can double up on the ingredient, but a little goes a long way. This amount that we're making is good for about 3 days, using twice per day. And once that is done, you're going to reach for your toothpaste, and you can use any toothpaste that you have. And we're going to use about a teaspoon of the toothpaste. Pour this in. And we're just going to mix this in. Melt in the toothpaste in our tomato, baking soda, coconut oil mixture. Blend well. This is really a good combination of ingredients. You just have to give this a try, guys. It is a fast acting teeth whitener. Just mix well, and when you're done, it's gonna have a toothpaste consistency. Blending this well, and now this is ready, and this is what it's gonna look like up close. And smells really good too, really effective. Now you can choose to store this in a small container. I normally store it in this container that I make it in, since it is wood and cause no reaction, or any form of plastic or glass container is good. And now once this is done, guys, it's now ready to use. And all you're gonna do is reach for your toothbrush. And I don't suggest you dip in. I suggest that you just take a little and apply it to your toothbrush like I'm showing here. Load it up just like you're using your toothpaste, and you're going to use this to brush your teeth. I'm just going to demonstrate on my hands right now, guys. So just brush your teeth with this, and you're going to brush your teeth with this 2 times per week. This really helps to whiten the teeth, brighten the teeth. Take my word for it, guys, because I use it every day on my teeth. I don't bleach my teeth. A lot of people think I bleach my teeth, but I don't. I use this mixture, and before you know it, you're on your way to pearly white teeth. So there you have it, such an amazing remedy, guys. I do get amazing results using this remedy. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, leave your comment. Those are always welcome. And if this was the first time watching and you want to see more of these amazing remedies, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. However, at the side there's a little bell. If you click on that, turn on post notification on your phone. You will get notification as soon as I upload a video. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.